We are starting the stream watching the game dev machine. Thor, this is his stream from 2 days ago. I thought he was going to be online tonight playing a game, but he was not. Very sad. You can watch his chat.
It sounds way dumber than it has anybody being. Oh no, dude, I mean it's nuts. It's honestly stupid. They spread out because you're going to be using that hardware over a certain amount of time, like generally, over like 5 years, whatever it is. So then I get like the tax deduction over like 5 years, or what the hell it is. Like,
Let's see.
It's this whole thing. I hate taxes, which is why the tax man is a thing. So I actually have to talk to him tonight. I find out what's going on. At what point of depreciation are you allowed to write if the hardware and claim is personal? I have no idea. He handles all of that. Basically what happens is I give him all of my things that I paid for the entire year. I give him my entire sheet of all of the information I have and all my purchases everywhere in Excel. And I go, please tax me. Change my tax line. And I don't get audited. That's pretty much it, right?
Pardon me, I put the microphone away for that one. The microphone is at least 6 inches away, 8 inches away, longer. From my mouth. For the burp, that's what I was talking about. What did you guys think I was talking about? What are you guys, what's going on? Okay, Thor.
Without my tax man, I would probably die in real life.
Don't die, Thor.
That's usually how that goes. It's a blue shield.
What is he doing? He's continuing to work even though he's got the worm on.
No, I die in real life, dude. If I didn't have a good tax man, I wouldn't have enough money to live. See how that works, right? Games of superheroes get more silly than the generation feels. I agree with that. That being said, Rainbow Rider's my favorite.
I think I don't know if I want Game Chops or Thor. Game Chops music, or Thor's stream to be my background. Unfortunately, Thor, he's too stimulating for my brain. It makes me think of other things, so I have to. He makes me think of what he's talking about with his chat, so I have to go to music. There we go. Let's see if we can see if anybody comes in the chat and says hello. Okay, so we're on. We're on. So when last we visited the class space trader World 01, 001, excuse me, we realized that what we wanted to do was go into this shader. Did I have it loaded? Thought I had it loaded. First of all, this is shader M2, but let's go like this and call it shader, what is it going to be, 2 shaders? Let's call it dual. Or, I don't know. I don't know what to call it. Separate? Shader separate 1. Why not? Okay, so the idea behind this is that we want to have 2 separate shaders in one shader. And both of these shaders are just going to have a vertex and a fragment shader. Okay, I have to remember I did start bread, so my bread is rising in the other room. So I have about 30 minutes, well 25 minutes now. And I will go put that in the oven. So let's have ID 1 and ID 2. There you go. Why would we do that? Why would you do that? There you go. There you go. Those are good. That's from Dumb and Dumber, isn't it? That's a Dumb and Dumber reference. Okay, I'm feeling soundboardy. I'm feeling like I want soundboard from the Richard. Where is it? Where is it? Sound booth bot. Is this? Bum 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 bum. That sounds new. I like that one. Game Chops on YouTube. Video Game Study Lounge. Tune in with Chewy. Samus and chill. It sounds chill. Okay, so we have two IDs. So load shaders. So load shaders uses the ID. So let's go like this. Excuse me. Vertex path 1, fragment path 1. Bum, ba, bum, ba, 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 ba. 2 and 2. Bum, 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 bum. So this is kind of a major change, but it's kind of not. It doesn't feel major, but ID. So is this the only time it's used, I think? Excuse me. I literally just had some ice cream and bread. Yes, I know that sounds weird, but I just had ice cream and bread. And then I had, okay, so we're going to shader file exceptions, load, okay. So really what we need to do here is reuse everything except for the ID. Oh, so wait a minute. So actually another way to do this. I just thought of another way to do this and it's just so much better. So much better. S index, let's just call it that. Yes, I like it. That's great. Get me that girl. Bum 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 bum. So much Zelda. So much Zelda music. The music of Zelda. Okay, so we'll just call this program function, excuse me, so just, okay. And GLUint. Oops. Why does it have the name of those there? Okay, anyways. It has the name of everything there. Why does it do this? So with this particular one, wait, is that all I have to do? Is that all I have to, is that all I have to do? What's the other one? Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's good. Shader. Whoops. What did I do? Oh, okay. I'm new to computers, really. I'm just... Oh, wait, where did I save that file? Where did I save the... Where is this saved at? Oh. Ba-da-da, ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, bum 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 ba-da-bum bum bum bum, bum ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum, bum bum ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Shader? No, it's not. It's literally not there. What happened? What happened? Computer, where did we save this? Did I save it in the same directory? Alright. Can I freak out here for just a minute? Do you mind if I freak out? Pardon me while I freak out in the corner. Shader, separate way. It is right there. Look at that. It's right there. I better Google that. I better Google that. Okay, so I'm just so excited to have this that I'm just okay. Boop. Ay 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 ay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so I don't care about your squigglies. You can squiggly all you want. Okay, so we're ready to start, to begin. We're ready to begin. Okay. So now shader separate one, and it will inherit the shader, and the shader will have two IDs, and load shader. Okay, so we're not done. Jeff, would you just think about this for just a second? What have you done? Oh, there's squigglies. And this, I didn't even look at the squigglies, but they're there because it's a thing. Oh, and we don't need this vertex path 1 anymore. We don't need fragment path 1, so that'll get rid of the first squigglies. So the squiggly here is because of reasons, okay? Very clear reasons. So each one of these we need to go like this, and we need to change the thing, and oh, it's gonna be a mess. Really, we're gonna put it like this, and every single one of these we're just gonna go boop, boop, like that. And because it's from now on, and I'm thinking without fully explaining it, it's what's happening to the music. Oh, they added some cool stuff to the music. I'm weird because I woke up at 4:30 in the morning and I'm baking bread and I had ice cream as a treat and I have to work tomorrow, later today. I have to work later today. Today, I have to go to work. It's a thing. That's a Star Trek reference from original Star Trek. So what do we do? What's going on? What's happening? Glue-int shader. Glue-int shader check compiler errors. Hold on. No. I'll fix all those squigglies in a second. Check compiler errors, vertex fragment. Do we need the ID? No, we don't. Okay, so this one should be fine, and it is. Oh, okay. It's fine. You leave it alone. It's fine. Spock. No. Star Trek reference. All right. Can you tell I love those Star Trek references? They just keep Spock. We've got to try. We've got to try, Spock. It's the right thing to do. Indeed, Jim. All right. Bam, 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 bam. Glue-int s-index. And then what? How come it's... What? What is happening? Huh? Tell me what's happening. Tell me. I could use replace. Hold on. Thinking about it. Hold on. Find and replace. I'm a little bit nervous about find and replace. We don't do it a lot. Come on. This is so slow. Slow like old days of modem. Okay. Find and replace. Quick replace. Everything is coming. Selection. Everything. Okay. So what are we doing? Replace term. Find computer. Only within selection. Replace all. And all these squigglies and red things should go away. Wait, what's wrong with the first one? Oh, What? Oh no. This is why I don't use replace. Alright, I can fix it. Hold on, I can fix it. Calm everybody calm down. Look what happened to my voids. They fell into the void. They fell into the void. It's no problem, it's only 2 replaces. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Nothing is fine. We're gonna go like this. Okay, we're gonna replace that with a void, and we were never there. Within current document, within selection, and replace all. 1 occurrence, you son of a bean dip. Fine. Everywhere in the current document. Do it. 10 occurrences. Now, I demand you get rid of the squigglies. They've gone from this galaxy. Okay. I'm so excited and everything. Yes, thank you. That was an easy putt. It was very close. Oh, but nuts. Alright. Okay, we're 16 minutes in. We upgraded the shader to take 2 shaders, to take shader class, 2 shaders. Let's call it a night. No, I guess there's more to do. I suppose we should actually, I don't know, code something that shows up on the screen, and maybe, I don't know. Do we really need stuff on the screen? Do we need graphics and stuff? I'm having a mental breakdown on stream. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Okay, current view mode. Pause that. We just need more Thor. We just need more Thor, everyone. That's all we need. Does he come in very well? What's his audio like? Desktop audio. Can you guys even hear Thor? Now you can.
After Superman and Batman, Taxman, it's true. He's the scariest, though. Like, to be honest with you, the IRS is the most horrifying thing on the planet. That was almost a jam. It was a little short. I feel like you could do better, Brian. Thanks for the 100 bits, Speaks. It's very nice of you. What the? No. I need this.
I just felt like I needed some
Did
Thor.
I update that? Oh.
Whoops, not that one. We're going to go there.
I forgot to update that.
Click there. Click that.
There we go.
Back to here. Okay.
Shield, and we'll make this one 7. Make this one 8. Make this one 10. I love the revision ID system, to be honest with you. It saves my life so much. Because it lets it, every time that I do an update, you guys can just get new items. Which is kind of cool. Holiday shields, I think, should have modifiers. Maybe? Should we have modifiers in this? No. You know what? No. No. We're not going to have modifiers in holiday shields.
Okay.
Anything that's like a holiday item, I'm not going to do it. We're going to leave them the same.
Think about this. So we're going to have the background stars.
Yeah, I think we're going to keep that the same.
We're going to have planets, moons, and asteroids. And then what I did was the lines between. But we don't have to do the lines between. I mean, we could. Maybe we could do them like smaller and faded out and stuff. I don't know. We'll see.
There we go.
It might be a cool little background kind of thing to just sneak into the game that people.
Had you roll me twice?
Like, what is that? Okay, so let's do this. We don't need shader separate one unless it's broken, and I really don't realize that it's broken, and we don't figure out that it's broken until it's broken, and I gotta figure out that it's broken. Hello. Where did you just go?
Oh, that's really cool, man.
Hello? Hello?
Those,
Hello?
that's actually the white button mushroom is. And that also turns into a cremini mushroom and turns into the portobello mushroom. It's all 3 of them. It's like 80% of all eaten mushrooms, right? Taffy I've always wanted to grow those. You can grow them in big sheets. There's like when they do massive harvesting of Agaricus by spores, they do it like this. They'll make like a huge mat of these, and then this machine comes over and like say they're all growing out here, right? This machine comes over and just goes zzz, like shaves them off.
I want to see Thor.
It's really neat to watch. Like it's actually really cool to watch.
Can I put him right there?
Like the machine just shaving them.
And he's like this, and he's got his chat. Can I actually pop out? Can I pop out my chat? I think I can. So I can pop it out. No, this is my chat. I want to pop it out. Pop out chat. And then move it over.
I'll have to make poor man sloppy joes with pasta sauce and brown
this.
bread. That sounds delicious. Your bee sporus, dude.
Then I'll put my chat right
It's full of bees,
here.
little head.
And there's probably very little
Yeah, YML, dude.
gonna go on.
Nobody likes a YML file.
There, so I can see Thor. I can see.
All right,
my
saving
chat,
this shield now.
and I don't care how many people are watching because that
Where's my shield
fluctuates
stuff?
and it's
There we go.
usually not
Shield.
accurate, so
Save that.
there we go. This is kind of cool. Whoa.
All right,
Whoa.
I think we're good.
Whoa.
You guys want to see if this broke the entire video game? You ready for this? See if it broke everything?
Oh,
We're going to find out in about 2 seconds here.
They're spinning around. Oh, that's cool.
Will it break?
See, this makes me want to play Minecraft instead of stream.
Is
Thanks,
it going
Thor.
to blow up the video game? The cool thing is, I don't have to bring down the server for this. I can just hotfix these in, and then we can go and
Thor.
look at them and make sure that they're not dumb.
So
So I'm going to go jump into it now, and we'll see. Oh, it's in.
I know. I'm wasting time.
Oop.
That's what I'm doing, Chris.
All right, here we go. I'm going to look at the output on our console. Where's that going to be?
Okay, so init data, that means
Log
we're
in on
gonna
that.
need data to
And we're going
init.
to check to see if this has any errors, because it will scream at me if I've done something wrong. Which I don't think it will right now. We'll see. We'll see if it does. I have no idea.
Why did I do it as a class? I just
reload all.
internally that disturbs me.
It doesn't seem to be mad.
It doesn't seem to be mad. Does it seem to be glad?
Okay.
So
It looks like it's working.
I can't
That's
do
kind
it
of
as a
cool.
class. I'm just not classy enough.
Are these good?
I can do it.
Everything there looks good.
I can do it. So we're just gonna call these B for whatever reason we're calling them B. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
it looks like
leave
they
me
all
alone,
have stuff.
all
Let's
right?
go look down here and see if these guys are working.
Just leave me
Archaeologists.
alone.
Surveyors.
So
they
looking
actually
at
get the
this,
surveyor's
this was
marker
what,
on 'em? That's good.
241, which is really 233. This is what we're gonna do.
Foragers is in there. Let's see what Foragers
First,
actually
so we
gives.
want vector 2 position color and then
So it, actually,
grid-
it doesn't actually show it in there. Let's do
grid
this.
size
MI
type.
browse. And I'm going to go to tools, and we're going to grab
Color.
like a...
then we're gonna call this
We're gonna a bunch of
vector
pickaxes.
3
See when that's a
grid.
Foragers.
size type. Okay.
Wow. Super unlucky. Oh, that's onion. God damn
Is
it.
everybody
Disposal.
okay with that? Can't we just all get
That feel when you have to
along?
delete all the things.
Apparently not. Moving on.
Okay.
So struct B. Okay, so with B, what we do,
Let's see.
that's the type. Okay, so structure for stars and backwards area, 100 of these. Okay, and then
There we
solar system
go.
Locations,
And it
planets,
did it.
transactions,
So look,
structure for
a normal
different
wooden
phases.
pickaxe has 10.1% bonus mining XP on a good roll, right? On a pretty average good roll. And this one got 16.3% bonus, which is really, really good. Like,
Okay, so
disgustingly
here's the
good.
thing. Here's what I'm
So,
talking
yeah,
about.
that's-
Here's the thing.
Cool. That worked out great, man.
I don't know what the thing is.
Awesome.
I don't know why.
Like, really
I
awesome,
did that.
actually.
Okay. So B,
Some of these excavator ones are
we
actually doing
have
really well.
background
So sick.
stars. Look
Totally
familiar.
works.
Look familiar to anybody?
It's all
see it?
hotfixed into the
You
game,
got it?
and
Are
if you throw your
we
tools on
got
the
it?
ground, there's a chance
I
that
have
yours
just
will be
made
better.
100
So I'm going to
background
do that right
stars.
now.
Very exciting. Very, very exciting. Okay, there's more to it though, because in here, so far background stars.
No whammies, dude. Whammy?
So the background stars don't have a.
Wow, full whammies. That sucks.
Oh, their velocities based on the position.
I didn't
or
get a
on
single one
the,
with a modifier. Sucks.
on the data
Sucks to be
from
me, I guess.
input from the thingy. Okay,
well.
it's going to be
It's fine.
the thing that we do.
All right, so shields will have that now. Oh, actually, wait, my offhand. I have to test the offhand too.
Okay.
Will the offhand get it?
Oh, how long has it been?
Hell yeah!
Oh, I got to chat. I have to
You love
click
to see it?
things in order to see the
You love to see it?
25
I got
minutes.
exfoliating, dude.
It is
So that one
almost
works.
time to
That one feels alright.
find my chat. There it is.
Is this Windcraft? No, this is Block Game. This is
Almost
our
time, so 5
custom
minutes.
MMO
so
that we made inside Minecraft.
6:09. Okay, we will
working at it for
go.
the last like year for
put the bread in
funsies
the
on the side.
oven.
Yeah,
What
We
do
did
we
it.
do in the meantime?
it works. So I just added
So
new
this is
modifiers for
so
offhands, which is kind of cool. That's going into the patch notes now.
Exciting. Okay. So the background starts back. So now
Actually,
here's what
I think
we do.
I want to
Here's what we're gonna
change one more thing.
do. Here's what we're gonna do.
Let's go to modifiers real
system.
fast. Tier
Let me
4
think.
modifiers, and we're going to go look at
Solar
this.
system. Are we gonna allow the player to move around through the different solar systems? Yes. Yes, we are.
The battle
That's
totem
kind of a
is
new
fried
thing.
blood
So
snap
in
slayer's
prototype
bacon
that I did
flesh,
before,
which is
didn't do
kind
that.
of stupid.
Okay, we're gonna do
right?
that in this one. All right.
It's kind of dumb
It's crazy.
sounding. It's really
That's
long.
new. Crazy.
I guess we can leave it as fried. Yeah, I guess we can just do
I
that.
don't
That's
wanna
fine.
do that.
Okay, new content.
So
Tools
what
no
we'll do
longer
is we'll
crit
do
power.
planets.
Players no longer have 50 crit power baseline. Bows
Each
have all their
planet will
base
have a
damage slightly
certain number of
reduced. Let me
moons,
see
of
what
course.
else. Zombie leather patch. Let's go pull
There
this
will
out.
also be asteroids. Each one of those things is a location. Okay, that's fine. So, solar system is just going to have locations. Planets will have moons. The solar system will have planets.
There we go. Tools now have modifiers that can increase
And
profession
asteroids,
XP
and
percentage.
then-
So just throw my items into the ground, and when I pick them up, they should be better. They will have a chance to be better. It's 20% chance. And anytime you craft one of those, it's a 20% chance to get that modifier now. They're meant to be rare. Like, that's the point. So yeah, you have a 20% chance. Throw them on the ground. Have fun. And they'll fully repair themselves when you do this, too. Even if it shows you that they're not repaired, they are. Trust me. The moment they take one durability, it'll fix itself. Let's see. Battle totems now have modifiers that increase weapon damage. Spell focuses. Okay.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
I don't want to just do this, do I?
Focuses? What is the plural of focus? Plural of focus.
Foci.
Is it foci? Foci or focuses or focuses? All right, thanks. Thanks, Google. It could be either, actually. Foci, focuses, or like here. Look at all these options. Look how stupid this is.
Foci.
It can be foci, focuses, or alternatively, focus is.
What?
All of them are fine. Why?
Focuses.
Yeah, focaccia. I'm gonna use focaccia. I think focaccia. Spell focaccia, dude. I'm okay with that. Focaccia is delicious.
Excuse me, I can't.
Spell focuses now have modifiers,
I love it. Okay, so here's what
which
we're
we
gonna
can.
do. So the whole
not
reason we're
do.
doing this is
Otherwise
because
people
we
will be
want
like,
to
"Where's my
display the
modifier?"
current location. Okay,
I can
so within a
increase
solar system,
magic damage.
planets, moons, asteroids. Okay, so
What else? What's the next one? Quivers.
yeah. So let's set it up like this. Let's
Quivers.
set it up like this. We gotta go up here.
Projectile.
We have to do a structure.
And the last one now
This is a
has
solar system.
shields
So this
can
is just
now
going to be a
have
basic
modifiers
point. Basic
that
point.
increase health. Oh, it should be max
Grid
health. Max health.
size type
And what is the other thing? I
is
think it's defense. Yeah, max health and defense.
a vector 3. that
Focaccia is wizardry.
has
And
three
if you dip it in
floats.
oil with these other things, it's even better at that. Dude,
Oh.
focaccia's delicious.
Dude, you're making me
Focaccia's
hungry.
really good. Like super good. So yeah, I agree.
Focaccia is wizardry, and if you dip it in the oil with these other things,
Make
in
them
it, it's even
inconsistent just to piss people off.
better.
No, I don't
Grid
think I will.
is the
Right? Now people instead wonder where they acquire these cans you swig up. Oh,
Multiplier.
don't say that.
for the
People are dumb. Someone will.
for the
Oh,
coordinate
no.
system in the fragment shooter. Okay, size is scale.
War zones no
Type
longer appear cross dimension.
Is,
That's a good bug fix.
can
I like that.
be
Let's go look at the next thing.
Or
So the
fragment
next thing
shader type,
is we want to make
or
tea. A million kinds of tea.
conditional.
Where can I get one of these cans? You can't.
Conditional.
That's right. You add a T to the end of it,
things.
and then you'll have your answer.
There you go.
Sure. That's why we're going to make tea next.
Should I leave
See
this
how it all
outside
ties together?
there? It seems a little
you go.
bit like. Should I put it inside? Oh, that looks better.
Yeah, canst. Whomsduv, right?
I should submit
You
my
add T to
old
can and it
code
becomes
for
impossible.
my
Yes.
prototype to.
See?
I
It all
should
makes sense.
Submit it to.
So we have all the modifiers on that now. I'm a little bit worried about one thing, though. I think we may have made the modifiers for tools a little bit too strong.
Cherno.
Let me go look at the tools real fast. If we look at these, it's 10% and then 15%. Yeah, we made the tool modifiers too strong. Let's go fix that. Before everything goes to hell.
Okay, so this would be the
These
solar system.
down here should not be 5%. They should be 2.5%. That
And what we
is
want the
problem.
solar system to have
Because
is
5% is way too much. Because they only have 5% between tiers, which means you can make a tier 1 that is stronger than a tier 2, and that feels bad, and no one wants that.
Oh, I'm starting to
Nobody
think about
wants that.
things-
They don't want to upgrade and get a downgrade, right?
I'm starting to think
That's
about
not
things
fun.
quite seriously, and it's like, how are we going to keep
Upgrading and
track
getting
of
a downgrade
all this
is no
stuff?
good.
Like, what would be a good? Let me ask ChatGPT.
It's not a actually, you know what? No. No. You know what I'm going to do instead? Instead of nerfing this, because that's not enjoyable, we're going to do something else. We're going to make this better. Hold up.
Wait,
know what I'm
let's
gonna
go back to.
We're gonna go to tools. We're going to take a look at this. This gives 10%. And instead of this one giving 15%, it's going to give 20%. That's how that's going to go. And then this one, instead of giving 20%, is going to give 30%. So then the modifiers are going to be halved. Yeah, you know what? You're going to have to put your tools on the ground again in a minute. And they're going to be way stronger than they were before. And I'm okay with this. Because it's just better, right? It just feels better. So that way they can give half of the bonus. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. We do 10, 20, 30, 40, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. That is so much better. Yeah, we're going to buff it all. Buff it. Into the sun.
Buff it.
But it's in a way that's not broken, so like this is fine.
So the solar system will have planets and asteroids. The planets will have moons.
All right. Now I have to upgrade this. I have to do revision ID on all of these. And those have to be upgraded. So that they upgrade again for all the people who actually threw it on the ground while I was doing this. You have another chance of it going all correct for you. It may come up Millhouse for you. Potentially. I have no idea. It could also go terribly wrong if you already got one of the modifiers. So, like, hold on to your butt, I guess. But either way, it's actually going to be better, so it doesn't matter. Someone just blew up near me, and I don't know who it was. Try not to, like, blow up. It's probably bad. Alright, I think we're good. Save this. Go back into the game. Am I reload all? Gimme. Oh, it rolled excavator. That's pretty nice. It would have been 30%, but it's 34.2. Hey, that's a little bit better, right? That's a little bit better. I think those will feel a lot better to the players, too. Why do I have a pumpkin? Which one of you nerds gave me a pumpkin? I'm on to you. Lumberjacks. Oh, cool. I actually rolled twice. 35, 30.7, 40. Is Shimmerglass the highest for
Let's see what
fishing?
he says.
Hold
see
up.
what ChatGPT
I did something
says
wrong with
about it.
fishing.
Sure. Here's a sample structure and class definition. For
Fishing is incorrect.
Substructures. Well, I'm just trying to put it together. An asteroid,
Isn't
moon,
it?
planet. Oh.
Wait.
Solar system.
10,
Oh.
20.
Shared pointer.
30,
Wait, what's going on?
40.
Base class for a 3D voxel world.
Oh, the other ones are Sky Steel. That's why. The fishing rod, I got the highest level
Oh, I
of fishing
like
rod.
this.
The other ones are Sky Steel. Yeah, this is totally fine. We're good. We're totally good. What are you making? I'm working on block game stuff.
Is point inside? What's that from?
Updating things.
Where did that come from? Location, radius, center, planet, voxel world, location, moons, asteroid, location, moon, location. This code defines the solar system structure which contains vectors of shared pointers and planets and asteroids. Each planet, asteroid, and moon is a substructure that contains a location structure to define its position and vector shared pointers to its moons for planets only. The voxel world class is a base class for all three substructures, which defines virtual methods for initializing, updating, rendering the world, as well as a virtual method for checking if a point is inside the world.
Is it weapon damage by 2.5%? Let me go look at this.
The derived classes, planet, asteroid,
it's
and moon
1.5%.
implement these methods differently based on the
Yeah, it's
requirements.
1.5%.
This is great.
It's not a lot, but it's definitely worth it when it all adds up. Yeah, we're working on block game. That's what it is. How much defense do those get? Like the shield is 2.5 and 3. Yeah.
Wonder what he'll say.
Fishing bowls now give plus 10% fishing experience per tier, up from 5%. We're going to do the same thing with axes, shovels.
Interesting. I don't think I'll need it either
Mining
way, but it
picks.
seems to
What
think
else?
that I'll need it. Interesting
Regular
assistant.
tools, mining picks, and then hose. Good old hose, dude. There we go. And this is going to be
So-
herbalism
Forward declarations.
and mining
Class. Oh, you can do that?
and
Solar system.
archaeology.
So it's a vector of
And
shared
logging.
pointer planets. So I gotta go put my bread in the oven. It's way overdue.
That looks good. And I'll take these and put them here so that aesthetically it doesn't look ugly on my eyes when I do this. Programming is chaos magic. It's true. Actually true. There we go. What's the spread and max spread do? So spread is the general percentage. So like max spread is it can be up to 10% up or down, but the normal spread is 5%. So it will almost always, like 90% of the time, be within 5%. But in that last 10% of the time, it can go wildly larger, either plus or minus. So like this is a soft cap, and this is the hard cap, if that makes sense. That way I can make crazy modifiers, but the general crafting is within 5%. So it's not that big of a deal. It can mean a lot to an endgame player, but for most people, not really. Doesn't really matter to them. They just want to go up a tier. But it gives you a reason to keep crafting a whole bunch of stuff to build the same tier over again, because if you get one that's really good, it's worth a lot, right? It's worth like a huge amount. Yeah, rolling for perfect items, exactly. Let's see. All of this looks pretty good to me. We can put this patch out. I think this is nice. Where zones no longer appear cross dimension. Tutorial world now NPCs are now good. Yggdrasil instead of Agartha. Common repair pounder is now 25 coin down from 50. Axes now give that. Alright, I think we're good. Patch. I'm going to take this and put it into the patch notes channel. This is actually the beta version 1.00 patch, as strange as that is. That's the first patch we've done of beta. It's finally happened. Sick. Huh. I heard my character pick up another item just there. We did it. Beta is finally a thing. This has already been fixed. That bug is done. We have to build T now. Banner ad is asking me to buy... Wait, what? There's a banner ad for you, MixWarlton? Are you on mobile? I haven't seen the banner ads before. I have no idea how they work. Desktop? First time seeing it today? Weird, man. How come you weren't interested in VR games? I get motion sick. Yeah, I get super badly motion sick. I do this thing where I put on the VR headset and then immediately vomit. And it's not... No one likes that. So... It's like I just don't do it. I literally, within like 15 minutes, I get cold sweats and I get nauseous. Every time. And they've never fixed that. Like, there's never been anything that fixes that for me. It even does it in certain games. Like, I played, what was it called? God, what was that game called? Mirror's Edge. Mirror's Edge did that to me. Because of the weird, like, warping of the screen. A couple other games. Oh, this is the worst one. Goat Simulator. Goat Simulator made me motion sick. I almost threw up playing Goat Simulator. It was so bad, dude. Holy Toast with the 5 gifted subs. Thank you very much. Tried chewing ginger during the play session? No? No?
You guys
Never tried
enjoying
that.
listening to Thor?
It's kind of interesting. It doesn't work when I'm in a ship, though. Like, I've tried ginger soda stuff.
What is he
Thank
talking
you for this
about?
gifted subs, though. That's super, super nice of you, man. Like, really, really nice of you.
Super,
You're awesome,
super
man.
Nice.
You played so much Goat Simulator?
Nice.
I
Okay.
can't do it.
So, solar system.
Yeah, I've tried doing
I
the
like
ginger
that.
soda.
Voxel
You know what I'm
World.
talking about? Like the super
Base
hardcore,
class for a 3D
extreme
Voxel
ginger
World.
soda where there's like fill it with ginger. I've also tried like Reed's ginger soda. That stuff.
Well,
is
if we
amazing.
have this,
And it didn't do anything for me. So I've never tried chewing actual ginger, but I have tried using ginger soda. Doesn't work. Not for me. What's up? Poignant Dingus. What a name, dude. Decreasing field of view and playing in window mode may help with motion sickness. I've tried that before. It doesn't work. I am very susceptible to motion sickness in video games. Like, really, really hardcore. And it does
so
limit the kind of games that
for
I
each
play.
one.
Which sucks. The only VR game I've ever been able to play without having a problem was Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes.
Kind of close.
Which
Kind of
is
close
a
to what I
party
wanted.
game in which one person wears the VR headset and they can see the bomb and they have to solve puzzles
this?
on the bomb. And your buddies have the bomb defusal guide and you have to communicate with them over, like verbally. And they have to communicate back with you verbally and you can't see each other. And they can't see the bomb and you can't see the guide.
What are you?
It's so much fun.
What
And that
is
one does not make me motion sick because
Thor
it's just
talking
a
about
object, right? Which is not a problem.
I don't know what he's talking about right now.
I might have gotten the subject in the middle, but have you tried Half-Life? Half-Life Alyx? No.
Okay, let's go back to some music here. Hey, what happened to the music? There we go. Oh wait, I closed the wrong thing. Close the pop out. There we go. Did that work? Yes. Alright, so with the solar system, everything that we're thinking about, I know. Gotta get this here. So let's put this in, I guess, and see what happens. Let's just see what happens. 4 declarations. I like that. Sounds good to me. And they're all classes. That's so classy. So what do we have here? This is a structure. That's a thing. structure contains the classes. Oh, cool. Okay, all right. We're down for that. Structure solar system is a vector. Standard shared pointer planets. What is the standard shared pointer? What is that? I mean, if I'm going to start using it in my code, can you please explain what this is? STD shared pointer is a smart pointer that manages the lifetime of an object in C++. It is part of the C++ 11 standard library and provides automatic memory management for objects. When you create a shared pointer, it will keep track of how many other shared pointers are referring to the same object. When the last shared pointer is destroyed, it will automatically delete the object. The primary benefit of using shared pointers is that it helps to prevent memory leaks, makes it easier to manage the lifetime of dynamically allocated objects. It also allows multiple objects to share ownership of the same dynamically allocated object, which can be useful in certain cases. In this example, we create a new int object, dun, 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 and assign it to a std shared pointer int. We then use the shared pointer library of pointer to print the value of the integer. When the main function ends, the shared pointer is destroyed, which causes the int object to be destroyed as well. Not the best example. Inside It's including the inside. I like that. Yeah, ChatGPT isn't quite understanding, but me writing this out really helps. So what I really want from all this is something similar to what ChatGPT did. And I really don't like using a vector because we're going to be saving this. And we're not going to have all the data in here that init, render, and all that. It's going to be pointers to data, generation data. So let's think about this. Cannot have a planet without the moon first. Here. Okay, so all of these are going to have, and eventually the solar system as well, will have a location. Because what you'll have is a galaxy. You're not going to have a position for the solar system at first. You're just going to have one. So the solar system will have planets. Oh, so we have to define all of these before the solar system. That's why they usually have and a location is also going to have terrain parameters, so it's going to be GL float terrain gen. And it's also going to have be the position, size, color palette, range, yeah, and then so the moons. Hey, Aaron Hansen, what's happening? How are you? I'm glad I saw that. What you doing? Oh, you're trying to wake up my brain here? Well, thanks for the follow, man. Oh, let's see what we get. Go ahead and click the link to join, please, and we can clash, man. Are you in? Okay, I'll give you a minute to click in. If you have any other requests, I can change the whatchamacallit. Moon's 15, asteroid. So the asteroid just gonna be a location. We'll just call that voxel. And the planet will have moons, but the planet will also be a location with a voxel like that. So the moons. Okay, good. Are we in? We didn't join. Arid Hansen, what happened? Well, you still got 3 minutes. I could always queue it again if you decide you want to do a clash. Let's do this. Let's just do a clash. I'll give you until the others decide to start. How about that, since you're undecided? It's just going to launch automatically. I think it will tell me when it's going to go. Okay, so these will all be voxel worlds. So the solar system itself won't contain moons. But the planets will. Okay. And the asteroids might. Oh, maybe you redeemed Clash of Code thinking I would just do the clash. Oh, well, I can do a clash, but I can't do a private clash by myself. So I need at least one other person to join the private clash. That's why I always start the private clash and put the link in chat. My bad. I just figured that out. So let's start this one and see what's up. We will see what's up. I think this one's a bot.
Thank you so much for playing my game.
Somebody told me once that that's a bot. Okay, what do we got? Well, thank you so much for playing my game. So we got that. Yeah, it's already gonna do that. What do we want to do? What are we doing? So see, so if it goes below, so the value is going to equal ordinance of A sub I minus K. If B is less than 96, what's the ASCII? Do I have the ASCII chart? All these years, it's 97. Then we just want to go V plus equals 26. We want to go in here with V. I gotta remember in 11 minutes to go get my bread.
Yeah, I'm allergic to VR. No, I vomit. I get really badly motion sick in VR. Like really bad. I have similar problems with a game called Fish Feed and Grow, not on VR. Yeah, I did a sponsored stream a while back of a game that was like Goat Simulator, and I actually had to stop halfway through because I almost threw up playing the game. And I was like, "Hey man, I really wanted to have your money and play your game, but also like your game is making me want to vomit," and not in like a your game is bad way, but like in a my human body is stupid way, right? It was really funny. They ended up paying me anyway, which is nice, but that was the thing a long time ago. Have you tried VR games with teleportation, locomotion? I've tried that. Like, even VR chat will do that to me. Like, all kinds of stuff like that. It screws me up. I can't do it. I don't know what it is. It's something, like, my brain doesn't like it. How'd VR work with glasses? A lot of the times you can wear your glasses underneath them, or you don't need to. And the reason why is because I can just take them off because it's close to your face, right? The reason you wear glasses is to focus on something that's far away. But you don't need it when you're wearing VR. It's on your head. At least for me, because I'm nearsighted, so. Unfortunately, my nearsightedness is about maybe 2 feet in front of my face. This is just a little bit longer than length of my arms, right? So I need my glasses to be on my computer.
Okay, so solar systems...
Somebody got drunk after eating slightly overripe pineapple. Yeah, that'd do it. You know? That's always a thing. It's quite funny. You know, fermented fruit is a thing. That is a thing that exists. Yeah, you generally wouldn't have to wear glasses in VR. Unless you have, like, crazy farsightedness. You know what I mean? I can see clearly more than a foot from my face. Yeah, no, if I take these off, dude, if I look... There's 2 of me on the screen right now. It's great. I literally, like double blur. I get double images.
Excuse me.
Ads, by the way. Yeah, I get the double image. No glasses Thor. You don't like no glasses Thor, dude? That's rude. You're rude, Norm. How dare you? What about... Here, what if I showed you this, right? You don't like no glasses Thor. What if I do this? What if I show you that, right? There's no glasses Thor. That's pretty good, right? 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 Deeply horrifying. Do you think it'll be the future of gaming? No. I think it's Laserdisc. And I'll talk about why after the ad break. 100%. Got 40 seconds left. How you all doing today? Pretty good. Pretty good, actually. What's the power of your prescription glasses? I haven't gotten new glasses in years. I have no idea. I have to get my eyes tested again and get new glasses, personally. That needs to happen. Beaks, what just happened? You just got skipped. That wasn't even me. Brian refused to say it. Why am I not seeing ads?
Oh,
Lucky.
VBO and
You dodged,
VAO. Okay,
you know?
so...
Sounds like this Laserdisc will stay around for a long while. Not really. So, this is kind of how I feel about this.
Now
When
we're
I'm talking about Laserdisc, everyone's like, is VR going to be the next thing for gaming? Kind of, for a little while, but so is Laserdisc, right? So we started off with CDs, and they were like, we got to fit more information on CDs. So they made Laserdisc, which was really big, and then they made DVDs, and then we made physical media. You just use USB and like do it all digitally, right? I feel like VR is like these. We're like Laserdisc and DVD right now. Eventually, we're going to get full dive nerve gear, where they just hook right into your brain, right? We're not there yet. The technology we have right now that's VR is like interim technology. Does it mean it's not useful? Hell no. It means it's super useful. But it means eventually we're going to move beyond this, right? And that's kind of how I feel about most VR stuff right now. We are building things that are currently interim technology for the thing that comes next, which is cool, but, you know, still Laserdisc and DVD, right? It will get outmoded by full dive nerve gear. And once we have full dive nerve gear, dude, I'm going to be in Sword Art Online, and you can catch me in there. Dying in the game and dying in real life. You know what I mean? Like, that's going to be me. I'm in. Hook me up. Turn my body into a husk, dude. I'm ready. Require an implant? Potentially. Maybe. We've already seen... There's actually already technology that we've used so far where you wear a helmet. And when you wear that helmet, you can actually focus and unfocus, and it changes the brain waves that are coming off, and you can control things in the video game with that. There's actually one where you have to concentrate and then unconcentrate to build a fireball and then shoot it. And it actually works. And it's not with an implant. It's with reading brainwaves, which is freaking awesome, to be honest with you. It's actually really, really amazing. So, like, it may not actually be implant related. We may just get better at doing that. Who knows? Right?
Okay, I just
no
decided
idea.
as soon as the bread comes out...
This is like uncharted territory, amazing technology shit that's happening. So we'll see.
Shower,
that being
floss,
said, I'd probably
brush
get the
my teeth,
implant.
and all that good stuff.
I wouldn't be the first guy to get the implant, but I'm all about the Cyberpunk 2077, dude. I'm ready. Turn me into a splicer. I'm ready. Like 100%.
We're going to continue to watch more Thor.
You need to
and
interrupt the
we will put this
brainwaves
up on
to make you want to move
YouTube.
your hand or foot? No. So this one
Thanks
was
everyone for
based on...
tuning
I have to
in
pull up
and
the
for
thing.
the
There's
new
a whole
follow.
thing with it. Yeah, chrome me up, dude.